Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you how this thing works in terms of the age validation. So we're gonna validate the age in this dataset by using the macro. So the objective is we're gonna remove the age below 18 and the age above 65 by using a macro. So I'm gonna create a macro and I'm gonna open the macro Alt plus F11. Already have the module, and the name of the macro would be validate age. So sub validate age, that would be my macro. Okay, so I'm gonna declare some variables here, starting from dim ws as worksheet. Next variable, last row, dim last row, because we got several row in this data sheet or data set rather. So as long, and next variable is dim I as long, dim I as long. I'm gonna loop through the data set, so I'm gonna include the variable I, and the next one would be the dim age as variant. Okay, then I'm gonna set the worksheet. So we're gonna set the worksheet sheet number 1. Okay, so set ws equals this workbook dot sheets, then our worksheets, which is sheet 1. Then I'm gonna find the last row, so we're gonna count the row, and we're gonna we're gonna start from the non-empty cell or non-empty row. So last row equals ws dot cells and rows. So we're gonna count the rows. That count. We're gonna count the rows of the column A, which is the name of the person. So that would be comma, then column A, then close, dot end, then XLF. This is the function that we're using when we're counting the rows in the column in that row. Enter. Then we're gonna loop through each row now, assuming age is in column B, and we are in column B right now. Okay, we only have 2 rows, or rather column. Column A is for the name of the person, and the column B is for the age of the person. So I'm gonna loop through for I equals 2. Okay, assuming we start, the data will start from row 2, because we're gonna start from row 2 because we have the headers in row 1. So row 2 to last row. Okay, so to get the value from the age column, which is in column B, and then next is the age, variable age equals ws.cells, then variable I, comma, column B. Okay, then I'm gonna close it. Okay, that value. Okay, we're gonna check if the value is a number. So I'm gonna use this condition. If not, we're gonna check whether the content of the cell is a number, is numeric. So if not is numeric, then age, then message box. So what would be our message? Invalid input, invalid input, in row, quotation mark, ampersand, variable I, ampersand again, then quotation mark, okay, colon, age must be a number. Then okay, quotation mark, then comma, VB critical, enter, then WS dot cells, variable I, comma, column B, then I'm gonna close it, dot clear contents. Okay, clear contents. We're gonna clear the invalid cell in this case. So else we're gonna check if the age is within the valid range. So I'm gonna use if again, condition, age is less than 18, or age is greater than 65. Then I'm gonna put a message box again. So our message box would be, okay, invalid input in row. So invalid input in row. Okay, then quotation mark, ampersand I, ampersand again, then quotation mark, colon, age must be between 18 and 65. Then okay, period, okay, quotation mark, comma, BB critical. So critical, then ws dot cells variable I, comma b column, then close, dot clear contents. So we're gonna clear the invalid cell, and then we're gonna end this if, and if, then we're gonna end another if above, and if there were two ifs above, and then for I equals 2 to last row, that would be next I, then end sub. Okay, I'm gonna include the message box. Okay, we're gonna confirm whether the data validation is complete. So I'm gonna say message box data validation complete. I'm gonna put exclamation mark, then quotation mark, and then comma VB information. Okay, then finally end sub. That's right. So we're gonna check this out. Alright, so I'm gonna open the macro alt plus F8. So I'm gonna run this macro, run. Invalid in row 2, age must be between 18 and 65. So row 2 is Alfred, okay, because it's the age of Alfred is 17. Okay, so age is removed. Another one, input invalid input in row number 4. What is row number 4? Ian, because Ian's age is 68. Okay, age must be between 18 and 65. Okay, another invalid input in row number 7, which is Mike, number 16. Okay, our number 16, the age is 16. So okay, because 18, age must be between 18 and 65. Okay, another invalid input in row number 9, James, he's got 15, age. So I'm gonna click OK. So also remove. Another input, invalid input in row number 10, Charles, 66. Age must be between 18 and 65. Okay, age must be between 18 and 65. Invalid input in row 16. Invalid input in row 17. Invalid input in row 20. So data validation complete. Click OK. Let's find out. So there are many. Okay, there are many age that was removed here because it is invalid age. Alright, that's it for our exercise for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.